Make Music Day is a worldwide event, and it's a concept of a music festival that is completely different. It's mostly based on interactive experiences for everybody. We're starting off with some bucket drumming, and that's sponsored by Vic Firth and the NAMM Foundation. They donated all the 100 drumsticks, and the Home Depot also donated about 30 buckets for our guests to participate in. We also have live music performances happening throughout the day inside at the Make building, inside at the Packing House, and out here at Farmers Park. And we also have several volunteer performers who are performing along Center Street in the common areas.
So today is the first ever Make Music Day in the city of Anaheim. To be able to have a day like this where, the city is basically a stage where anyone can pick up an instrument, learn something, and just come play, it's amazing. It's really cool to be a part of and just have something like this available. The NAMM show itself takes place twice a year. The big show is here in Anaheim, and then especially with the brand new House of Blues that opened 2 years ago, it's cool to have so much entertainment and just a platform for music in the city. And then just having NAMM to be able to back up Anaheim and help out with their programming and grow it so steadily and so aggressively over the past 5 years that we've been doing this. It's been great to see the program just grow and prosper into what it is today.
I think it's awesome. It keeps the kids out. Two of the kids here go to the same district, so it's kind of cool that they're actually interacting with the community. So.
My favorite part was when we used the boomophones because I like using boomophones, and in my old school here we used to use the boomophones.
With Fran, we give free rides around the neighborhood within a 3-block radius, all for this Day of Music Festival. And as we're transporting people to and from, we get to embarrass them live by making them sing karaoke. We have taken about 3 batches of people around. It's still early in the day, but we're probably going to get a lot more as we go along. It's just getting people in the mood, helping them, get that sense of fun before they go out there and spend the rest of the day in the workshops and watching bands. What I like to do is that when people can't choose a song, I always threaten them that we're going to do Baby Shark unless they can't come up with something. So I like having that on my standby because that's when I am prepared to scream until they're eager to jump out of the moving vehicle.
Just to share some of the great music that we're making in our district, we are very happy that we've prioritized music. We understand the developmental aspect of it, and we also understand how students get engaged in music. So not just having music by itself, but integrating other subjects such as math, English language arts. Music is a great foundation for instruction. We have music teachers at every school. Our students learn how to play 6 instruments. So this is a unique opportunity, and we just want to share it with the entire city of Anaheim. We hope to build a legacy of having this take place every single year, and we know it will get bigger and bigger as we go.